I'm reminded of 13 years back. So there was similar kind of a silent candle march for Nirbhaya in out there in that in Tangbad only. So after 13 years, again I'm in a candle march for a similar crime. So for 13 years, nothing have changed, and still we are saying that we want to claim the night. I mean, such a sad thing. I don't know how to express it. That am I not a human being? Why do I need to claim something which is mine? I don't know. This is heinous, and honestly, every administration, they don't care. I mean, we for them we are just just tools, vote banks, whatever. They don't care. They just don't care. There is no respect. Forget about administration in the whole society. Well, something needs to be done. So that's the reason why I'm here. It's not only for me. It's for my children and for everyone. I mean, this is something that cannot continue. That, 13 years back, I was for the same cause. 13 years, after 13 years, I'm for the same cause. And maybe I don't know how many more time this will happen. This is...
Even this issue has been a political drama these days.
Everything. Every issue, like any name you take it, it's always against women and it's always political. Sometime in the name of caste, sometimes in the name of religion, but only women. You are not. I mean, why? Why am I not a human being? Am I not Homo sapiens sapiens? What am I? I mean, am I just an object? This is not done. This is just not done. It needs to change, and it should change.
And it's very unfortunate that on 14th of August, we are still standing here with a candle and asking for the security of women. And it's very unfortunate. After so many years of getting independence in our country, on 14 March in the midnight, we are hooting for justice for a woman who had brutally been raped. And let me tell you, the person who has been accused is just an scapegoat. And I think the real culprit should be given a capital punishment. They should be fined out by the CBI, and they should be given the ultimate punishment. And this protest will be on, and we will be there with the doctors and with the family. My condolences are there with the family and the friends of the deceased. But the protest will be on until we see the culprits are hanging.
And it is not happened for one person, for whatever reason. But it can happen to me, to you, to anyone. And that's scary. That's scary. I cannot walk at night. Why? My job demands that I walk at night, so I will not work. Why? Because I'm a woman? Why? So these are the questions that needs to be answered. And of course, punishment for not just for that crime, it is for the whole society. I mean, stop it. Treat woman as a human being first, not a woman first.
Thank you so much.